Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Red Racing Industries. Now, we're back at Music City Kartplex for another few races. We're doing 3 of them today. Now, they're going to be all in separate video footages. This is going to be race 6 of racing Music City Kartplex. Now, got some Bessie hair today because we got the tube sock. Quit wearing the helmet. We got number 12. That's kind of backwards. But anyway, stay tuned. So I just got done with my 7th total race over here. Got everything on the GoPro. Now this is kind of going into one small video. I'm going to do some clips and stuff. But we got under 46, so we're in the 45-second range, which is respectable for this track and this configuration. Doing pretty good, riding the same rental go-kart. Just got done racing my 8th total race at City Kartplex. We're going to be going ahead and hopping inside. Now they've got these shifter carts on there really quick, but running low 45 seconds, which is in terms of respectable, he said. And once again, I've only been on this track about 8, and it is my 8th time. Other than that, I'll see y'all soon.